Okay, so this is going to be the makeup video for my chapter 7.1, 7.3 quiz. Briana, zavala. Okay, I'm going to do this problem, number 3. So it's x over, it's this problem, the x over x squared minus 9x plus 20. So when this is, like expanded, it'll be, so you have to do the a over whatever thing. So it'll be a over x minus 4, because that's how, this x minus 4 and x minus 5, that's going to, I forgot what it's called, the factoring of this. So plus b over x minus 5. Kimberly taught me a way you could just like cross multiply it, I guess, like bx minus 4b plus ax minus 5a. And then she taught me this, right? And then she's like, and set this equal to x. The x is equal to x, so bx plus ax. And then you divide by x. So you get 1 equals a plus b. And then for the same thing, you do the same thing, but you set it equals to 0. And then you put negative 4b minus 5a. And then you're gonna, then you're going to, want to cancel one of these out. So I'm going to just multiply this by 4 because it's already negative 4. So you're going to get 4 equals 4a plus 4b. Set that equals 0, same thing. Down here, minus 5a. These are going to cancel out. So it'll be 4 equals, so I'm going to just add these. 4 equals negative 1b. So that equals b equals negative 4. And then you go to your answers, and so you can automatically see which ones have negative 4. So this one's not going to be an answer, and this one's not going to be an answer, the one I picked. So it's either going to be C or D. And then, so then you just could plug that in back to your equation. So 1 equals a plus negative 4. So what's going to get you here? It's going to be a 5. 5 minus 4, that equals 1. So a will equal 5. And then you go back to this. This one is it. Negative 4 and 5. So it is D is the correct answer. Okay, now we're going to go to this one because I'm trying to do the easier ones first. Okay, so this is the right triangle one. This is a really simple way of thinking about it. I just guessed on here because I don't understand it. But this, like, none of these ones are the answers. Like, Kimberly explained this to me. And it's just, like, think of it like this. Like, 2 squared, that would be 4. And 5 squared would be 25. And 25 plus 4, that would give you the 29. And which is the hypotenuse. Because if you put it in a triangle like that, 25, 4, has to all match. So it was actually C. That was the correct answer for that one. And then this one. This one is more complicating. And so you can solve it the same way as the others. So like, for instance, canceling these negative 2y. Just like multiplying this by a 2 to cancel the negative 2y squared. So you multiply the whole thing by a 2, so this will cancel out. You could do that and actually get the actual answer, or you could just plug in. And before I didn't know how to solve the whole thing. I would just plug it in, but then when I figured it out, I just did it. It's the same thing as kind of like this one over here, the x right there. It's kind of the same as that, just a little bit more difficult. And yeah, so I just plugged it in. And after I plugged it in, it was A, not C. So there we go. And then, so that's that one. Oh, same with this one too. But I'll show it a little bit more briefly. So this one right here, y equals x squared minus 6x plus 9, x plus 5. Okay, I put D because I swore it was like 3 plus 2, you know, equals 5. I figured, I don't know, but so does 4 plus 1, but I didn't plug it in. But once I plugged it in, I thought that I did it wrong, but I didn't. So if you we'll just plug it in real quickly on this paper. So we're going to use 4 and 1. 4, oh, you can't even see where I wrote that. Okay, well, 4 and 1 and 1 and 4 as our answers. So we'll just use the y equals x squared. This is the problem that they gave me, 6x plus 9. Okay, so now I'm just going to plug it in. So y equals 1 equals 4 squared minus 6 times 4 plus 9. So here we go. So this is 16 minus 24 plus 9. This is negative 8. This is plus 9. That does get you 1, so that is true. So right off the back, that's the only one that does that out of all the answers. So I should have known it was B, and that was my second choice, but I didn't put it. But yeah. Okay. Oh my God, this video is taking a long time. Okay, I'm gonna try to be quicker. Okay, so then that's it for Wait, let me make sure. Oh, and this graph on the back, but I could. Oh no. Well, yeah, I could redo this. So this line was right. So the x minus 1 this way equals 0. That's right. But you just add the 1. So 0. So it should have been like this. And then the 2x plus y equals 4. Same thing. You're just going to minus the 2x. So it'll be y this way. Oh, I'm losing myself. Oh, it's okay. So I'm going to start over. 2x plus y equals 4. So then you're going to subtract the 2x. So it'll be y. It's not, oh, that's why. It's not an equal sign. It's this. Okay. So y this way, this. 4 minus 2x. Then you just graph those. And that. Okay. Well, yeah. I was thinking of it. I was overthinking everything. And this one, I'm retarded because I should have automatically knew it was going to be a circle. It has the squared. So I did have the right concept when I did it. When I like had the square of it. Like I squared and everything, but I didn't do that. So it's just going to be a square circle on 5, negative 5. You know, those are going to be the points, the 5. It'll be a circle like that. And then everything on the outside is going to be shaded because of the inequality. And it should have been like that. Okay, so that's for this one. That's for chapter 7 3.5. But now I have to do chapter 7 1.3. And it's a lot. This one was a lot because it was a 35F. This one's just a few because there's only like 3 problems I'm missing. Okay. So this one right here, oh, I think I did this one on the other side. Oh yeah, I did. It was the same thing as this problem that I did over here as this one. It was the same one, basically. Look, so just to use that, this 4, negative 4, this right here. See my friends, negative 4 and 5. That problem, it's the same as this one. The negative 4 and 5 right here. Because I put D originally the first time, but it was B. But it's just that it's already simplified for you. Oh, sorry, you can't see. It's just already factored out, so that's kind of easier. Okay, well then, we're going to move on to this one right here. So this one I already have out right here. I did it on the paper. So this 7x plus, oh, you can't see, 7x plus y, these ones. For me, since the problem was shorter, once again, like I said, you could do it both ways. But this problem, like the answers were, not too difficult to work with, so I just plugged it in. And so I plugged in the negative 1, the 1, the 1. So 7 times, so you see how I just plugged it in. Negative 7 plus 7 plus 1 equals 1. Yep, that's true. These cancel out. That's 1. It worked for this. Equals 1. So that worked. So it was like a check. Worked for this one. So it equaled to 1. Same So, that's a check. Oh, this is the same problem. Okay, well, yeah, that's why I put a check right here. No wonder. Okay, so then that was a check. And then for the same one, this equaled an 8. Wait. Did I plug this in on here? -1. 9 times -1 plus 9 times -1 plus y, which is 1, plus 9 times 1. That should equal 9. So if that equals 9, then this would have worked. So -9 plus 1 plus 9 equals 9. That's 10 minus 9. That's equals 1. Wait a minute. I think I messed up. Oh, it's -1, 1, 1, 1, not 1, -1, 1. Okay, so I think it's 7 times -1 plus 7 times 1 plus 1. This should equal 1. So -7 plus 7 plus 1 equals 1. Yes, okay, there we go. So that does work. Okay, so it's actually, it's not D, it's A. Yeah, no wonder, because I was using this one. I was using the wrong thing, because this is the one I picked. But it was, I didn't pick the right one. This is the right one. Okay. And then, what else? Let's see. Oh my god, this video is so long. Okay, same with this one right here. I guessed because I could not solve it, because when I kept plugging in, it didn't work. But I didn't think that this was like the not solution one, and I just figured, oh, there has to be a solution, but there wasn't, and so that's why I picked that one. But in reality, after I see it, this is why I have so much work right here, because when I was trying to solve that one, and I should have just picked this one, because that's like kind of like not the solution. So it was D. And this one is the same as the just plug in. Just have to plug that in. If it works, then, I must have did something wrong, because I thought it didn't work. I thought it was not a solution, but it was a solution. So, yeah. Okay, well, that's all. This is for, the reason this video is so long is because it was 2 makeup quizzes. So it was 7-3, 7-5, and 7-1, 7-3. So that's why it's really long. I still have to do this one. I'm just missing this one problem, but I kind of forgot how to do it, so I'll just do it tomorrow. This is the only one, because I got a 80, but you messed up right here. This one was actually right, and you admitted to it. So it's already a 90. I'm just trying to get it 100. I just have to do this one problem. But okay. Thanks, Mr. S. Okay, bye.